Alright, y'all, what's up? Thank y'all for tuning back into another video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Also, we are at 1,500 subscribers. I just want to thank everybody for the, love and support and all that stuff. So basically on today's video, I'm going to show y'all how to get a red key on my, non-Hellcat people. How to get a red key, basically. And then also it's fully functional. It works, unlock, start up your car. Basically everything. All you need is your original key fob. It's my extra one, so I'm gonna move that one to the side. But basically, I'm not gonna make this a long video. I'm not gonna talk. Put that right there. Because you're gonna be swapping parts out. So make sure you don't get them mixed up. Even though both of these are my keys to my car. Basically, all you want to do is, what I usually do is use the key. Come in here. I crack, oh my bad, I'm not even in the camera. I crack it, I take it, twist it, then crack it open, basically. And then it'll start opening up. Boom. Don't really need to change the battery, I don't think. You don't gotta worry about the battery. And then you come over here to the other key, take it, open it up, boom. Basically, that look tacky. That look tacky. All right, so basically all you doing is taking this, you taking this one out, you taking this one out. I'm gonna just use this knife since it's right here. Just make sure y'all careful on whatever y'all use. Make sure y'all lift. I did this before because it is a tab right here, so make sure y'all don't crack it or break anything. Don't be scared. And then just, just lift it up, lift it out. Put that off to the side. Then come to the other one. Lift it up. Oh shit, look at that. This is what I'm talking about, like, focus, hold on, focus. You see how it's got that, what's the name right there? Yeah, so I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit. Make sure I don't break it. Because that could be bad. That could be real bad. All right, boom, and this shit. That part is real, it'll just break. All right, so you take this and basically you want to drop it. You want to drop it in there. Take this key, put this over there. I don't think I need to change out the battery because this battery should still be good. You clamp it back. Make sure everything is clamped back. And then drop your key in there. Boom. Red key type vibe. Let me put this one in here real quick. Put this one in here. Boom, boom. Close it up, and then slide the key in there. Type shit. 2 black keys, 1 red key type vibe. All right, let me take y'all to the car now. Red key. And then let me know if y'all looking for them. I'll leave a link for them. Type deal. As you can see, oh shit, I think the battery dead. Hold on, y'all. Was the battery dead? I think the battery dead. I can't stand this snow shit. I think the battery dead on this bitch. Oh, I gotta change the battery. I need a detail. All right, y'all, so I came back because I have to actually, this battery is actually dead, I believe. So that, take this battery. Pop that battery up and down. All right, let's see. Close it up. Not a key cover, this is the actual rear key. I'm gonna probably get like 345 Hemi on the back of it or something. Because I ain't trying to by any means. Look at that. Everything worked. Let me go ahead and give y'all a cold start real quick. All right, y'all. So the rear key, fully functional, as y'all can see. As y'all can see, hold on. Lock, trunk, cold start. Oh, cold start, y'all. All right, so basically, that is how you do the red key to the 345s, Durangos, Jeeps, anything with the, you know, the key fob like this, you can basically swap it out. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Just a small video on how to, you know, change up certain things on your car if you want to be a little bit different than the rest. And I mean, just look at it. That should look nice as hell. Red key. Who don't like a red key? But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video, man. Peace.